this video you will see recent changes in the look of import for the bank statements. Let's now have a look at the bank account. I'm going to manage account import statement. So as 2023, Xero has amended the template look of the import bank transactions. However, the nature of the import stays the same. First of all, you can download a Xero CSV template file, and it will look something like this, which you will fill up manually with all the data, or if you have already files in the format as per below, you can select a file and download it manually. But essentially, the import bank transaction process is the same. We're now going to select the file in CSV and manually download it into Xero. And once you've downloaded into the select file option, click next. And here you can match the settings for the import. For example, here we have a date, amount. We can select amount or any other fields if you need to. On the drop down, we have payee, description. If you have a reference field, here we go, the reference field as well. And if you have a check number, for example, also check number. You also need to check do not import the first column. If you have a description, the first column would be this one, date, amount, and pay description. And then also if you're using different bank statement date, make sure that you use the correct. And in our case, we have date, month, and a year. So we have date, month, and a year. And then click next. Once you're happy with transactions being reported, complete report. And this is how you import bank transactions manually with a new look of Xero. I hope this video was useful. Please follow my YouTube channel as well. I post a lot of useful videos, and thank you for watching.